Keep up meaning number one, to stay at the same speed or level. Imagine you're walking with a friend who walks very fast. You're trying to stay next to them, but they keep getting ahead of you. You say, "Slow down, I can't keep up." In this situation, keep up means to stay at the same speed or to stay at the same level as someone else. Some examples are, "I can't keep up with him," or "try to keep up with the group." The kids ran so fast their parents couldn't keep up. "She walks too fast for me to keep up." This same meaning also applies to information. It's hard to keep up with technology. Or, "I try to keep up with the news." She can't keep up with her homework. The students couldn't keep up with the lecture. Here, the idea is the same, staying at the same pace or level. Now, let's work on the pronunciation. Repeat after me. Keep up. Keep up. Keep up. Keep up with. Keep up with. Keep up with.